like surprises. Of course you do. Excuse me, Mr. Fish, could you leave their house? 'Cause it looks like they're busy today. No. They have more things to do than just hang out with you today. Now, just please leave. Net. I have my megaphone in my net. Now, please! Leave! Please! No, I'm not leaving. Sky, this is your chance. Okay, Chief. Hey, hold on tight. Yikes. I've got him, Chief. Roger that, Sky. This is how a puppy flies. Woohoo! In action. Oh dear. I'm in for a landing. The ground. I missed you, ground. Now can I get off of this? Yes, let me get it off of you. There you go. Thanks. Is he home? Yes, he's home. Great job, Miga. He should be in here in a second. Water. I miss you. Water. Being in the water feels so good. Hello, brother. I missed you. Oh, I missed you too. Yeah. So good to see you guys. I'm so happy to just swim around in here. Feels so good. Well, all in the day's work. Bye, everybody. Bye. This puppy's got a fly. Don't worry, you don't have to worry about putting up the cones. He missed home like crazy. Good. Well, the Paw Patrol has done it. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you. Thanks for helping. Yeah, thanks for helping. No problem. Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help. Yelp for help. Okay, I'll say yelp for help when we need help. All right. Bye. Bye. Ooh.